Yeah, let me start recording.
Recording in progress.
Yeah, let me share my screen. Is it visible?
Yeah. The bash.
Yeah, we are going to start bash today.
No script. Mhm.
Let me keep earphones. So, have you heard about this? Regarding bash scripting.
Linux scripting, yeah. We've been doing that, right? Scripting.
So, you know already bash
No.
will be doing okay, but have you heard about this earlier?
Bash scripting, yeah.
Yes.
Heard it for sure.
Okay, okay. This we can call it as shell scripting.
Yeah, sure. Mhm.
One second. Okay. Okay. So now we are going to discuss about shell scripting. We can say bash scripting, and so anything is fine. We have for this two names actually. Two names like shell scripting and bash scripting. So,
Okay.
sorry.
Okay, sure. Is everything okay?
Is it audible properly?
Yeah. You're audible.
Just just putting my earphones. That's
Oh, okay.
right. I'll keep mic properly. Yeah. Okay. Thanks for waiting. So now we are going to discuss about shell scripting. Shell scripting is a way to automate the tasks in Unix. Okay, that is the purpose of shell scripting.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so to it involves writing a series of commands in a text file, which is executed by shell. Okay, we can call this as a scripting language. It's not programming language. Okay, so yeah, shell acts like a middleman in between you and operating system.
Okay.
Okay, so Linux is an operating system, right? On top of Linux, we do lots of things in every day. We create a files, create directories, and we'll check disk spaces, or we can start or stop services, and we see processes are running or not, and managing users, and many more tasks like this. So these are all
Mm-hmm.
Linux related. Okay, so which means it's like automating the tasks. Okay, so imagine if you have same type of commands over and over again and again, so you need to execute. So this shell lets you group those commands together, so you can run them all at once with a single command. Okay, you are
Mm-hmm.
going to keep all different commands in one place in line. Okay, in one line, I mean one by one, all you are keeping in one task, one file, and you can execute with the single command. This process will save the time and efforts, especially repetitive tasks. Okay, so that is, and we already covered most of the Linux commands in previous, Linux previously. Okay, so what is shell exactly do? Shell is basically way to automate the repetitive tasks in Linux. Okay, so if you are if you can imagine, like you suppose you are a Linux administrator. Every day morning, you need to do some automation. Okay, suppose you need to check certain services are running or not. Disk space is there, a df-h. Okay, and memory usage is how much free it is, how to free it, and CPU usage how much. Okay, and clean the old log files, okay, unnecessary log files, and backups. These are all daily tasks. Okay, doing all this manually every day is boring, correct? Boring and hectic. And if you have a simple one file, if you execute it one at a time, automatically all tasks will be executed. Okay, so what we do, we write all these commands inside one single file and we'll run that shell script. Okay, once the script is ready, you just run with the one command and all those tasks will be happen automatically. So that's the power of shell scripting. I hope you understood. Okay,
Yeah.
automation plus saving time plus fewer some less mistakes. Okay, and also in the Linux we have discussed about cron jobs. Cron jobs, we already saw that star 5 stars, right? Star 5 stars. So which schedules the particular time. You can schedule for 30 minutes, 1 hour, every 1 hour. For suppose if you want to automate the task, or if you want to run some task in at night, midnight, 2 o'clock, for suppose. Okay, so at that time you will be in a sleep, right? If you make it automate at 2 o'clock, it will run automatically. By using cron jobs, we will perform these kind of tasks. Okay, right?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so and these are all benefits. Okay, shell scripting is just like, you know, a powerful tool for the system administrators and anyone who wants to automate the task, and will save the time and it will save your efforts and reduce the errors and improve the consistency and automate the complex tasks. Okay, right? Okay, so for example, suppose I just want to how to write that example. I'm just keeping. You will create vi in the sense, you know, right? Editor file. Vi
Okay.
is a editor, correct? In Linux. Okay, vi example hello dot sh. Keep this extension must be sh. What is sh?
Shell
For every
scripting.
program or scripting have an extension. Okay, example uh, java. For java dot java.
Dot Java.
Okay, for python .py.
Executable file, basically.
Yes,
That's
yes,
that will
yes,
execute.
yes. For python .py will be there. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
for shell script .sh. For example, javascript. For javascript you say .js. Ruby .rb. Ruby scripting .rb. So these are all extensions. Okay, so which shell script only recognize if it is .sh extension only. Okay, for example, you wrote everything properly and you kept in one file, but your extension might be .py. You are trying to run it, but it won't respond. Correct? Is this, you may question, is this .sh is mandatory?
Yes.
No, it's not.
I know. Okay.
It's not. Okay, without .sh also, so we'll run for naming conventions. Actually, without this also we'll discuss. Don't worry. Okay, we will discuss in different ways. Without this also we can run, but there are some rules for that also. Okay, understood?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, just like the shell is middleman between the kernel. Kernel in the sense operating system, as we discussed earlier in Linux. So when you type the commands, the shell understand to task the understand it, and it talks to the like kernel. Okay, shell script is just simply a file. It will contain with multiple commands. Okay, right? So I think so you may get doubt. Okay, you have a shell scripting, that's okay, but what about PowerShell?
What is PowerShell?
This is also, it is also similar, shell and PowerShell. That's why I'm asking. So what is the difference between shell scripting and PowerShell? Okay, shell scripting is belonging to Linux.
Yeah.
Okay, so mainly used on Linux and Unix operating systems.
Unix
Okay,
operating systems.
PowerShell mainly used on Windows.
Oh, okay.
So that's why. Okay, you may get a chance also. You are as a DevOps engineer, you will get this, will touch definitely. How in the sense? For suppose in your project, if there is Azure, okay, if Azure
That
cloud,
is
yeah, if it is AWS, then you deal with this shell. If it is
Unix.
Azure, there are chance. Okay, there are chance if you want to automate on the Windows machines, you have to use PowerShell. At the time, you have
Okay.
to learn again. But you must
How
treat your
different is that? A PowerShell and shell? Is it lot of different?
not lot of different. Okay, if you can understand shell scripting, you can understand PowerShell also.
Okay.
You can understand. Okay. Okay, so what, how in the sense you write as an example, I'll write here. So next, this is actual file. This is file name.
Yeah.
This is a file name, and this is a
Hello.sh is
editor.
a
Yeah,
yeah.
this is a file name. Okay, so next what we will do after opening this file, what we will do, we'll write, it will open write editor. So just simply echo hi. Okay, I'll write like this.
No,
Next I'll write echo how are you today.
doing good.
Okay, next again one more, these are all commands. Echo is a command, echo is a command,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Linux command, we can write like this.
That-
Okay, doing good. Okay, you kept these many multiple commands, you are keeping three different three multiple commands. Okay, how many times? One, two, three times you mentioned one command with the different text. Okay, so also I would like to keep one more, that is called as date. DAT, date. Okay, now you
Okay.
have, after this you have to give the permissions. What
Okay.
permissions? Let's see.
Read and write the
Execution permissions.
execution.
Read, you can read it, but kernel should kernel should execute this program, right? So you need to give the executable permissions. So after that you just need to run like this. What is the file name? Hello dot sh. Shall we try this, a small one?
Okay, sure.
Let me close this. I don't know how to again. Okay, so I will close this. Okay, done. I need to open it again now. Okay, I'll open it. Where is it? AWS. I don't have any instance here. Oh, no, 0.
No.
Nothing is there here. Europe, Stockholm, not there. North Virginia. No instances here also.
It's running.
It is there. Oh
Yeah.
my god, goodness.
Yeah.
There is one instance here. Let me try to start this. I don't know whether I have a key or not. Let me check, because I always clear my caches and all, and
Oh,
downloads also. Okay, let's try to run this, and I'll take until then mobile extreme connect. What is the key name? EFS. Okay, something is there. Let me find out
Project
that.
2026.
Yeah, let me check first. Downloads EFS. EFS 1 only, right?
Yeah.
EFS, this one.
2026 something. Yeah.
EFS project. Yeah.
Project 2026. Yeah, that's
Okay.
all.
Yes. So let me try to copy this. Paste here. Okay, so what we do, let me try to write vi. I habituated with the vi. You can use nano also. Okay, hello.sh. First of all, I'll show you what are the files we have. ls, we don't have anything. vi hello.sh. okay, I'm
Yeah.
just keeping here. I insert echo. I'll keep here in this hello. Echo. Some, as mentioned here, I'll keep date also. Okay, so after that I'll exit. Okay,
Okay.
I'll save and I'll come out. ls, can you see? ls hyphen l. So only read permissions we have. So shall I try to run?
Okay.
Seer dot slash hello dot
sh.
sh. Let's try. Permission denied.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
so what we have to do, ls hyphen l. So what we have to do, chmod. Okay, so user
Change
right
mode.
plus executable permissions. I am giving for user, I am giving executable permissions. Okay, hello.sh. Next ls hyphen l is you got executable permissions, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now try to run the same command. Sorry, is it working? It is executed, you know.
Yeah.
I just
Hello, Canada. Welcome.
cat hello dot sh. Can you see? I mentioned a command, but it is showing here. So this is okay.
The
So
date
you
of
may get
today's
doubt
date.
here. Okay, echo whatever echo is, that is actually showing here. But here it is showing the date, right? Saturday,
Today's date.
February 21, so and so XYZ date.
Yeah.
So like this. And So this is how from the top to bottom, it will check all the lines of commands one by one. It will check if there is any error find in the middle of execution program, sorry, script. It will not stop, okay, until it completes, okay.
Mm-hmm.
So in the shell scripting it will execute from the top to bottom. So whatever the problem we got suddenly, okay, so if you get in a problem in the middle, so it never stops the program, it will execute and it will show where is the problem you got. But in the Java is not like that, right? Java, whenever you
You have
stop,
to.
yes,
Mm-hmm.
so it will stop
You
the
have to
program there.
troubleshoot in Java.
Yes, in Java it should be, it will stop the program and once after finishing it only it will go to the, it will move forward.
So
So yeah, like that, okay. Suppose if you have a server resources, okay, so it will, for example, server related monitoring, for suppose if you want to monitor, okay, server resources, like what are the servers resources like df-h as we discussed, or if you want to RAM, if you want to check your thresholds, okay, is it 80% reached or 90% reached or 100% reached. So admin, definitely they will focus on the application, right? Application and okay, so servers, admin job is to do, okay. So we have good monitoring tools also like Grafana, Prometheus and so, but okay, but shell scripting also helpful for Linux admins. So these are all very advanced actually, you know already, Grafana, Prometheus and all those stuff. And also in the CloudWatch, yeah, sorry, AWS, we have seen CloudWatch how they will do. So that is for UI, but this using this shell scripting also, they'll run commands. By using commands they will run the shell scripting programs, okay. For databases also, for databases they will use some Oracle, MySQL, PostgreSQL, MSSQL, DB2 or MongoDB, so and so, like for in the databases itself also they will use shell scripting,
mm-hmm.
okay. So use cases I am saying, where we are gonna use, that's how, right?
Okay.
So why we need learn shell scripting in the sense, that's what we discussed, automate your regular
Automated
task,
records.
yeah. See, database backups and
Mm-hmm.
monitoring, CPU utilization and memory utilization related, and portable, it can be executed any Unix like operating systems without any modifications, like, okay. What are the prerequisites? Linux servers and knowledge of Linux commands, you know already, okay, and basic knowledge on program, that's okay, still no problem. But I don't have any basic programming language, but still I learned, right? In the sense,
Mm-hmm.
in the 2009 I learned, but I forgot it. But 2000 where it is getting 2029,
Mm-hmm.
right? Okay. So next, so before this, let us try one more example. Okay.
Okay.
So how to change the shell type? How to change the shell type? KSH, 1 second. What do you want? Sorry. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Long ago, so we were used shells, okay. SH, CSH, KS. This is history I am saying. History. We are talking about history.
Okay.
Okay. Long ago. So there were different shells, okay. Different types of shells. Before Bash comes up, earlier what used to do for automation in Linux, okay. That's what I am trying to say. So it becomes like there are different like bin CSH, bin KSH, kernel shell, okay, something kind of, okay. So it becomes so good, and once we got bash, and so it is little easy. So they developed actually from CSH to KSH, KSH to SH, SSH to bash. Now actually we need to call bash. Okay, bash is also becoming so much popular. Okay, so now whatever Linux administrator users will be there, right? Current Linux automatically bash will be there. Okay, these are all earlier CSH, KSH, all these are earlier shells in the Linux. Okay, next to check what is the current shell. You see, shall I run this command echo $0
Okay.
bash? Can you see that there is no any CSH, there is no KSH, and there is no SH? Currently current release, I mean current latest shell is what? Bash. Okay, so this is the latest one, and if I run this command ps-p $, $, ps means what? Process. Okay, this is a
Yes.
process ID. ps means this one, ps
Yes,
hyphen
yeah.
p and $. Some, this is also Linux command. This ps pid is 1798, and time
GT.
it is using some bash. Okay, some commands
Command
actually.
prompt command is bash.
Next I'll run echo dollar shell. See, bin bash,
Bash. Okay.
which means where the shell, where shell store execute,
stored.
this is a path, bin bash. Okay,
Okay.
so that's why while we are executing it, before shebang line, we'll talk about shebang line later, so we will mention bin bash earlier. Okay, so initially, so we are going to see where we gonna use bin bash. I'll show you. Okay, next these are all actually common shell types earlier. Okay, KSH, ZSH also, ZSH, Z shell, C shell. Next to KSH means I think this KSH means earlier we used to call this as corn shell. This is
Okay.
C shell, this one, C shell. Okay, this is just a shell.
Yeah. Bash is
Yeah,
bonds.
and
bonds,
G shell also used to see. Okay, we used to do G shell also. Bin G shell, GSH, G shell, Z. Some people will call Z, some people will call G. I don't know. Sometimes I'll confuse with this Z or Z. So British people use J.
Well, British people will say Z, in Americans we say like
Yeah.
Z.
So I don't know which category you are belonging to. So I don't know in Canada. Z.
Z. Yeah.
That's what I used to. And T shell also. T shell also. Bin bash. Sorry, not bin bash. T shell. Sorry. T shell. T C T C S H. This is enhanced one. Okay, latest I can see. I don't want to keep in between. Here. Okay, TCSH in the Tosca. You have you heard about Tosca name?
Yeah.
Yes, in the Tosca also there is command line. So in that they will use T shell.
Is okay.
Yeah. So bin bash, this is we are currently using. I don't know. I'm keeping here when it will change. Currently using. So far it is current. Okay. So these many. This is how shell scripting forming from one by one, step by step. And now we are using this one. This is very latest one. T shell. Okay. TC shell you can say. Alright. That's fine. Okay. Now we'll talk about, okay, let's try to let me try to read this, some of points I mentioned here. So introduction to shell scripting. Shell scripting is a way to automate the task. It involves the writing to series of commands in text file, and we can execute by script, okay, called a shell. Shell acts like a middleman between operating system and you. That's it.
Okay.
These benefits and all we have seen. Next we'll talk about shebang line. Okay, I did not mention here, let me try to write here. Shebang line, sh, I'll add later. Shebang line, important this one. Okay,
Yeah,
the first line in the most shell script look like this: hash bin bash. Understood? Just now
Okay.
I just mentioned, right?
You
I'll show
showed
you.
that, yeah.
Yeah, bin and bash.
You ran that.
Yeah, so this is very important. This if you see somewhere like this is called as a shebang line. This is interview question. What is this? Somebody if ask what is this, what is the actual name of this? This is called a shebang line.
Shebang.
Yeah,
Okay.
shebang. Okay, there is no gender, just this is a name, shebang.
Yeah.
Okay, it tells the system, so which means initially first program, whenever you execute the program, it will come here. Okay, so it tells, this one tells the system, okay, bin bash, somewhere bin bash, you run the script. Understood?
Okay.
You run the script, see this one, script in bin slash bash path. You understood, right?
Yeah.
That's it. Okay, okay, that's fine. Now let's try to write some more, one example. One second. Okay, close this, open program. Okay, clear this. Okay, and I'll tell you one thing. This shebang line is very, I said mandatory. If I can ask, mandatory. Just before one question asked, is the .sh is mandatory? Okay,
Said
.sh
no.
is not mandatory, but
Yeah.
shebang line is mandatory. Without shebang line, okay, so this is important. Okay, if you write a shell script .sh extension, this is important. I'll write here, very important, this will confuse you. If you, one sec, okay, if you okay, if you write shell script with the .sh extension, okay, like you need to mention hash bin bash, like this. You need to start with the first line, must be like this. Okay, so without mentioning okay, .sh, without mentioning .sh, okay, this is with mentioning, okay, with mentioning .sh, you need this. Without mentioning this .sh, you no need this one, bin bash. not required. Okay. So by default shell type is bash. By default shell type is bash. Other than bash it's mandatory. Okay. So bash is advanced shell, right? So before you run shell script you have to give the execute permissions as we have seen. Okay. What are the types? I'll save this and let me close this. I'll try to let you know what are the types we can write. Example slash, how while we are running I am saying, okay, you can use hello hello world dot sh. Next one is hello world sorry, not this. How can I erase this? Okay, with dot. Okay, and next one is explicitly you need to mention sh hello world dot sh. Next bash hello world dot sh. Okay, so if you directly you should not run. If you keep sh just with sh also, this is explicitly you mention sh hello world, it will work. This also current directory, it will work, and with this also it will work, and bash hello world dot sh, this also works. Clear?
Okay.
Okay, so we can try with all this. Okay, default, by default it will support the bash. Okay, like by default it will be like bin bash. This also works, bin sh usr user, this one bin sh. These areas it can store usr bin bash like this. Okay, user directory bin directory bash. Okay. Okay, by default if you want to see which one, you can this is the command, right? Echo $shell. If you run this command you will get to know which one is by default. For me it is the by default, correct? Are you getting any confusion?
No, that's fine. Yeah.
So echo,
I'm clear.
yeah, echo $shell. If you run this command you will get to know that which one is default. For my system this is default. It might be there, it might be different, depends upon versions and kernels. Okay,
Versions. Yeah.
okay, so these you can see depends upon system. I don't know which system will get, depends upon their versions. It will be there, it might be there, it might be there, but if you want to see that you have to run this command. That's what I am trying to say. Okay, let's do one thing, one small exercise.
Okay.
Let's do it here. Open your shell scripting. Now vi, I like vi, I'll use vi. I'll do one thing, I'll create a directory first, mkdir shell scripts underscore no hyphen scripts. Okay, this is my folder, ls cd. I want to keep all at once, that's why, nothing else. Okay, I am going to keep in this. Now vi, what should I keep? Hello world I used already, hello world not used. I'll keep hello world. This names I'll confuse with the names. Okay, dot sh, I'm mentioning dot sh. Okay,
Okay.
okay, next to you need to press insert I After that, what you have to mention? Shift hash. Okay, what is that? Tell me.
Bash.
No, exclamatory.
Oh, exclamatory. Yeah.
Okay, next to slash bin
Bin
bash.
slash bash. Mhm.
Okay, this is what is the name of this? Huh?
Some some
Shebang line.
she bang. Yeah.
Yeah, echo. So I'll write something here. Echo. Hello, hello world. Hello world. That's some program, and I'll keep here more. Echo. This is
Second file
second
something.
sample shell scripting
Scripting.
line or file, something like this. Okay, next I will mention more echo one more time. Next you write here today's
Date is.
date, sorry, date is
Just put the.
something
Just
like
put the
this.
date over there.
Just I'll put date here.
Yeah.
Okay, we will see more examples, don't worry. Let's go slow bit by bit. WQ, oh sorry, escape, WQ, save. Okay, so how to run? If it saves, fine. Okay, else we need to change the umask value. So umask value, default umask value, how much? I'll ask the question, Sultan, I am saying. I'll ask what is umask value?
Forgot.
In permissions I explained it long time, I remember. To be honest, I explained so much well. Permissions. So umask value is a default value for the permissions to change the
Zeros.
permissions.
Oh, hold on. Access you have to give.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, you can recollect tomorrow Sunday. Okay, so here no execution permission. What we have to do? Tell me, please
You have to
help
give
me.
a permission.
How to give the permissions?
chmod.
chmod.
chmod. I'm forgetting things. You just gave that.
User plus execution permissions.
Yeah.
Okay, or else you can give the 700 permission. 7 or
777. Yeah.
777. This is full permission. We should not give the full
For
permission.
permission.
So you should give 744 something kind of. Okay, or else you can give
Okay.
only execution permission for user plus x, simple. Okay, and
Okay.
what is that? Hello, right? Hello world.
Hello.
Hello world
Yeah.
dot sh. I'm just running it. Okay.
Okay.
No, I'm just running it for only permissions change. Let me check here. ls-l. See this execution permissions we got. Good.
Yeah.
And now shall we run the script?
Yeah.
Dot slash hello world dot sh. I am saying this is important in Ansible. This is important Terraform. This is important. Okay, this is important at all. Okay.
Okay, got it.
So you got today date is so and so. We got it.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me try to take. I don't have anything ready, so I will take more sample examples. Give me some examples for shell scripting. Basic I will give, otherwise it will give big lengthy. Hey, I got my name. Okay, let us try this. Okay, this is actually advanced given, but fine, no problem. Okay, so let us do this. So I'll open here ls, nothing is there. Okay, one is there. So I'll keep lokesh dot sh. Okay,
Okay.
sorry, va I forgot. Va. Next I'll keep what I have to keep here. Hash.
Insert.
Insert. Very good. Hash.
Hash is exclamation
Hmm.
slash bin slash bash.
Okay.
Echo. Mm-hmm.
So this one already
Yeah,
it's
already
fine.
there. Yeah.
Yeah, no problem. So name
So
I have
name you
given.
have
Just
declared
I'm
your
calling
name
here.
as a location, and then you are echoing that name over
Yeah,
there.
name
Okay,
is
with the
Lokesh
dollar.
here. With the echo, I just calling the variable.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
This is variable and this is a key. Correct?
Okay.
So I'm
Yeah.
just calling simple using dollar. I'm calling the variable. Simple. That's it. Very good. Very fast you are. So my job will be easy. Okay. L-L.
You have to give permission, no?
Yes. 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 So again,
CHMOD
chmod
and user
user.
right X.
What
Yeah.
is that
Mm-hmm.
name of the file?
File. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now try to run this slash bin. What is that? Lokesh.
Hello. Okay, allocation.
Yeah. My name is Lokesh.
Yeah, got it.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Next like that. So we can run. We can write more. Okay, we can do more. So you have to next class I will check. You have to create minimum 10 sample shell scripting files. Okay, I will check. Are you with me? Are you listening me?
I don't know when it went on mute. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm asking next class I will check how many you need to practice on different 5 sorry 10 examples, 10 shell
Okay.
scripting files.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so yeah, that's it, right? And let me go here. Next, shell scripting debugging mode. So why we
Yeah,
need
this
to
is
run
important.
shell scripting debugging mode? What is used?
When there are some errors, so that you know where it
Very good.
went wrong. Mm-hmm.
Good job. Okay, if you want to run script line by line, so you need to run debugging mode. So if you
Yeah.
run if you run in Java in debugging mode, when you hitting F7 functional key F7, it will run debugging mode, right?
Debugging mode, yes.
Even in C programming also, you can run
Mm-hmm.
in the debugging mode, which means if any bug happens, it should not stop the program. Okay.
It will show you
Yeah, it will show
basically.
you. Yes, exactly. Okay, so example sh hello world dot sh or you whatever. So if you run script, so you will get to know that which error it is. Okay, by shell scripting is in debugging mode refers to run the shell script, usually bash, with the special options to help you to find the bugs. It will show where exactly what happened. Understand the script actually doing. So see variable expansions, trace execution flow and catch errors easily. Okay, suppose if you have 100 lines of script, so you need to somewhere middle of lines to be debug, so that you
Mm-hmm.
can mention like plus x kind of, minus x kind of. Okay, suppose, shall we try?
Yeah, yeah. Let's do.
Vi hello
Location. Okay.
Lokesh, no, will Sultana,
We already have location 31%.
yeah, dot sh. I'll keep like this. Open, insert, hash, exclamation,
Exclamation.
bin,
Bin slash bash.
bash. Okay, enter.
Slash bin slash bash.
So what I will do, echo Okay, so here I'll use hello world. Next,
Hello.
okay, so I just copied here. So here I'll keep hello world, here I keep welcome, welcome to India, something kind of. Okay, or I'll keep something here. This is an important concept.
Lecture.
Yeah, and one thing I'll take extra, echo, this is debug
Mode.
Scripting, something kind of. Okay, now let me use, oh sorry, spelling wrong.
ECHO.
Next to echo echo, I'll keep here. One more is today's date is, keep like this. Okay, and I'll keep date like this. Okay, in the middle,
Instead of next line, you can put the date on the side only, right?
we can, no it won't, it is not taking as a command. Command should be start. Okay,
Oh,
so next after hello world I'll keep this set x for debugging purpose. I'm saying set
okay.
hyphen x, and in between where I'll keep here before the date till here, I'll keep here set x like this.
Okay.
Sorry, not plus, not minus here, plus, and this is minus. So whatever the lines you have mentioned, okay,
That
under
will all be
debugging mode,
debug.
yeah, this will be under debugging mode.
Okay.
Let me cross check. Good, very good. So nothing wrong, right? This is debugging mode shell script example. Let me clearly happening what happened. So it is explaining. I don't want explanation. No, that's okay. We are doing good job. That's fine. Okay, nothing wrong in it. So so if I execute hyphen x hello world.sh, what are the lines execute? Suppose in your prediction, if you mention hyphen x hello world.sh once, okay, once we
It
run
will
that,
all
what kind of lines will execute?
from welcome to India to this is the debug. Those 3 lines.
Okay, so that's what it is saying, right?
Because you are just outputting the.
Yeah, okay, shall we try? See here, bash hyphen x script name.
Your sultana.sh.
Yeah, correct, sultana. So let's try now. Save this, wq, exit, came, ls, we need to give the permissions, chmod
U
777
plus X. Okay. Sultana.sh.
ls
Okay.
hyphen l. Got it, right? So
Yeah.
now let me cat hyphen n, just n means numbers, that's it. Okay, you see 1 2 3 4 5 6, total 6 we have. One is empty, just keep in mind. So how to run this? This is a command. This is a command. Also you can use dot slash, and we can also run like this, right? Dot slash sultana, right? And can we run like this? Bash, I mentioned already. Shall we run like this now?
Yeah.
With plus x. See, in between it is showing this one. So this is the indication only, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll try to run this one with like this. Is it possible? No.
Oh.
So debugging mode we have to run like this.
Yeah.
Or shall I
Bash.
try with the sh? Can I try sh? It is working.
Yeah.
Sh also,
It is working.
right? Sh also working. This way we can able to run.
Okay.
Okay.
So you can put dash n or the dot slash plus x or sh plus x. Okay.
Plus echo welcome to India. Okay, it is ran, it is clearly showing, right, with the echo welcome to India for welcome India for this, and this is one debugging mode. It is showing in a debugging mode. This is not in debugging mode. Can you see? This is separate. It is not showing with the pluses.
Yeah.
So it is not in debugging mode. That's why I did not mention to show you. This is not in
Then there is
debugging.
no
Yeah, by
reload.
seeing it you can able to recognize this is in debugging mode.
Yeah. Got it.
Shall we stop, or shall we can continue like this? We have many more slides. If you want, I can continue like this. So you can use this also with the different. Okay, this is for like
Each
that.
line of the script. Okay.
This is to print each command of the expansion. Okay, hyphen v. This is not capital, small. Hyphen v for print each line of the script read before any execute expansion. Okay, plus comments. See original comments.
See
When to use it? When to use it? To see original
original
comments.
code and comments. Okay. Okay. Got it.
Set hyphen e. This exits immediately if any command returns non-zero status fails. So when we have to use catch errors easily, catch errors
Good.
easy, good production too. Errors to catch.
Okay.
Like that we have a lot. Actually, I copied only few from ChatGPT.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, just for understanding. So these are all main I mentioned here. Okay, syntax check for syntax.
Mode.
Yeah, for syntax check, this one, quick syntax
Yeah.
validation purpose. Hyphen n for validation purpose. Next one is naming. Yeah, I also mentioned one example here. Name Alice, age 25, echo name hello Alice, age is something, what 25 will get. This is a variable and key, right? Key and value pair, and it will run this. You will get this one. See how you are executing. You are executing here bash hyphen x test type test dot sh. Not, we are not mentioning here. We are directly executing here. Shall we try this?
Okay.
So vi Alice. Sorry.
We forgot.
Yeah. Alice dot sh. Okay. So here something is different. Here mentioned user binnu env bash. they mention like this. Let us try like this only. I think it doesn't work.
If they have a path. Yes.
Oh, sorry. Actually, I forgot insert.
That's what I thought.
It will save the path, nothing else. Bash. So these many, it will store user bin environment bash. Alice 25, we are calling with the variable name age. So here, so it is some .txt is there. ls means list. Okay, this is append, given append, and echo found files. It will find the files. I don't think this will work because I don't have files. Okay, so let's see whether how does it works. So it will check with this path actually. Okay, Alice, right? And we didn't give permission also. Control C, chmod 777 alic alice .sh. So copy this, paste here. Let's see how what works here. No, I told you, right? No such file or directory. You understood, right, or not? So I don't have this file in my system with the name of this. So it is searching some files. It is searching. Okay, it is ls means list. In the
List, okay.
files, it should be there, right? In the files,
Dot
in my
txt.
files, in this files, environment files, there will be a files. Okay, with the, it is searching with the list all, star means all, with the txt
Dot txt format.
extension. It is actually searching with the dot extension. Okay, for last it is searching, and after that, see if it is fonts only, then it will execute. But I don't have all this set up in my system in this path, right? So it doesn't work. Simple. So you just use small one, so which is available in your system. Okay, if you keep in the directory, in this directory, if you keep .txt files, it will show. Okay, .txt files it will show. Okay, so next, naming conventions. What's the time now?
7:30.
6. For you it's 7:30. Okay, shall we continue? Yeah, let
We
us
can continue.
No, let us continue. Okay. So naming, file naming conventions. Okay, file naming can be maximum of 255 characters. Example, Lokesh, if you want to keep like that till 255, you can keep. Okay, but this is a maximum number. The name may contain alphabets, digits, dots and underscores. You can keep in mind. And the system commands or Linux reserved words cannot be used. Example,
Date, like that things.
yeah, date dot sh. You see,
Echo.
echo, exactly. Good catch. Can you see? VI
VI data.
dot sh. Echo.
Calculated.
Yeah, I'll tell you. Echo.
Insert first.
Yeah, that one, right? Bin bash hash bin bash. This also echo. Okay, ls, where is it, date.sh. Can I run bash?
It's you have to give permission. Does that work? No, it worked.
It worked, but in the rule should not use. See here why it is used, in the sense, if you run script, this is for script 2, you run this bash, with the bash it worked. Clear? Here permission denied. Okay, this is just for related to permissions. This you can run with the bash, without permissions you can run. Okay, with like this dot/date.sh, without permissions you can't run the script. Or for example sh date.sh, it is working. So one shell script you can run multiple times. Just forget about date and date format, just keep it like this. So first you just try to understand bash and sh. If you can run the sh with the extension sh, without permission it can run, but like this with permission only it will run. Okay, now let's come to the topic. You understood, right? 3 ways we can able to run the script, shell script.
Yeah.
So one is like this, one is like this, and one is
Bash.
bash. Yeah, bash also. Where is that? Yeah, bash. So and also four I think so. I told you another one also. Dot also. Dot. Shall I try? Dot date.sh. See this? 4 ways. Okay, with dot date, with sh, with bash, no permissions required, but for this permissions are required. Clear? So actually for safe is this one only. This is safe. Okay, and so according to our coming to our rules, many these system commands like Linux and all this, let me give the permission here, ls-l chmod u plus user plus extension execution date. Okay, ls-l, got it? Yeah, now date.sh, it is worked. I don't know, so they are actually kept in rules but not following. Yeah, Linux itself not following. Okay, so in programming language comments will be naming conventions will be there. Okay, in the naming conventions system commands like Linux reserve commands will be there. I want to know system commands and Linux reserve words will not accept as a name. Okay, let me check with this only.
Oops.
What are those? Touchless.
That.
What is this? Why it is showing? These are all using if and all this, not date. Okay, let me try with this. Let me copy also. I'm also forgetting. Okay, example I will use here. Let us try with this then. Oh my god, what happened?
You added any?
Yes. Okay, so like this. Shall we do with do or if or else? Let us try with else.
Anything is okay.
Vi else. Okay, dot sh. 1 minute. mv date. What is that? Else, right? Else dot sh. ls-l. Can you see? I changed date as else. I can't create now. Unable to create. Understood? I just changed this, nothing else. Cat. Sultana, you need to ask me the doubts now here. I just renamed it, nothing else.
Mm-hmm.
Just renamed it. Earlier it was something like date, right?
Yes, yeah.
Now just renamed. I just by using this
Rename.
mv date.sh as else.sh.
I thought you moved. MB is moved.
Yeah. No, that's not move. mv command also for rename. mv command also
Rename.
for move. Both. Not this
Okay,
is not
okay.
move.
Okay.
This is for
That's what I was
rename.
thinking.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So and next, let me try to run this. If it is runs, I will stop.
Does date work, Edward?
Please avoid this for a while. I'll check.
Mm.
Okay, Linux administrators are cheating me. Linux innovators. Okay,
Maybe it's not a.
actually they should not keep these rules. If they keep the rules, they should follow them.
Instead of .sh, maybe if you don't put the .sh, it won't even run.
No.
Maybe.
My intention is not to get whatever he actually provided here. Okay, if you keep sh means that is shell script. That is actually shell
That
script.
is self script, yeah.
Yeah, without shell script, no. What does it mean if it is works also? Actually, they mentioned rules, but let's see that. Anyways, good to know that. Now I understood at least.
Well, anyway, nobody is gonna use those names in
Yeah.
real world.
So they mentioned some rules for it. Maybe in the production or somewhere at the time that doesn't recognize. I guess maybe there
File
are some
system is
valid.
case sensitive. That's okay.
Yeah, this is these are all different names.
Mm-hmm.
So you can keep like this also. .sh. You can keep like this
Camel.
also. Yep, you can keep like this also. So these many ways, complete small letters, and one first should be capital, and k you can start with the capital, and like this also, and with the digits and letters with the underscores you can use. Okay, but as they said, they should not use system commands, but I used it. That's okay, no problem. Okay, next, single line comment. So in the comments, in the shell scripting, the programming language, comments will be there, right? You know that already. What are those comments? Single line comments and multi line comments. Are you with me? Are you there?
Yeah.
Okay, did you?
Slash is like single
Yeah,
line, and
have you used
slash
that
is
earlier? Any chance? Did you
yeah.
get any chance? Yeah.
In Java.
Yes. So we have to keep the comments for better understanding the code, or to keep particularly if you want to mention something. Okay, if you want to, for suppose you are actually writing a code very neat and clean. So suppose you are mentioning like that. So maybe after 1 year or 2 years, your code, if somebody sees that, by using comment lines, so they can understand very much better. Okay, if you
Yeah.
want to keep the instructions also, by using comments you can keep it. Okay, we have two types of comments are there. One is shell scripting. One is single line comment.
Single line and one line, multi-line.
Sorry, shell scripting using, right, lot times it's getting in mind. Yeah, single line comment, another one is multi line comment. Okay, we can use for the single line comment like this. I'll keep here only, not this one, sorry, like this.
Two dashes.
No, like this.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and for single line comment
more like HTML tags. Okay.
Wait, I'll tell you. So the example I'll mention. There are two ways actually. For multi-line, they'll keep hash like that. Okay.
Okay.
So, but in this, we'll keep like this. Something kind of lowercase, like that. So single line comment. I think hash also will be there, right?
Google G.
One second. Single line and multi-line comments. I won't use. Long ago we have used actually. So we are not using it right now. See this single line comment. They are not using this right now, I guess. Okay. And multi-line comments we'll keep slashes, I guess, like this. For multi-line, what?
Slashes.
Same, you see.
But in front of every line you have to put that.
You see here exactly.
They
They mentioned
colon and
here.
that one.
Okay, colon, after colon they are using the comment like this.
Okay.
Here in the single line, just single line, you see here, in the single line comment they'll keep only hash in front of the comment.
Okay.
Multi-line they are actually using like this. Very good. I'll use for example. Very good. Oh, it is not copied properly. See here, method 1 is, this is method 1. Okay, recommended method 1, this one. Okay, and the method 2 is using like this.
Comment.
So which means
comment block.
comment block. This is for complete block, complete section it will block. Entire block if you want to make it, you can keep like this, which means if you keep like this, whatever the block is, that block will be commented. This is for only individually. If you want to keep like this, multiple lines if you want to keep like this, you can keep. So that's it. It is recommending like this in shell script. But you can call this as a single line also, right? If you are keeping for one line like this is a single line. If you are keeping this for multiple lines, it is like a multiple. That's okay. So this is also important. So this is method 1, and this is method 2. Two ways, right? Wrong way. This is wrong way. This is in C language we can use like this, right? C language,
Java, we can
like that, or HTML we can use slash star slash star slash. Okay, so let's try. Shall we try?
Yeah.
ls, let me check the names. Okay, these are all names we have.
Just put in the name only, naming comments. Comment. VI comment.
Single line comment, like that.
Single line
dot sh. That's it. So we are using it for single line. That's why. Shall we make it in one only?
Yeah. Just put a comment.
Yeah, comment, right. Both we'll use in one.
Space.
Yes. Insert. Let us try to write echo something.
Don't have to put that dash.
Yeah, we'll keep. So first I want to write it all. So I'll keep more like this. Copy, paste, paste. Okay, that's good. So single line, and here I'll mention comments example. I'll mention here
Or just
example.
put okay.
Yeah, just
1,
changing
2,
notes.
single line 1, single line 2, single line 3,
Okay.
something like that.
Yeah. This is third one, fourth one.
Or,
This is fifth one. This is sixth one, and this is seventh one, and this is eighth one. Okay. So these many. So
lines,
next
it should
multi-line.
appear right now.
This let's try to keep this one greater than, double greater than. So I'll keep here Lokesh. Okay. I'll keep here for separation purpose. I'll for heading purpose I'm using echo. I'll keep like this below for multi-line comment, just heading like that. Next I'll use here cal, means calendar, date. Next ls for list, and anything is there. So I'll keep like this echo multi-line comment completed. Okay, that's it. All right, so did I mention .sh end of the line while I'm creating this this one? Okay, I'm without shebang line. Let us try now. Okay,
Yeah.
so far
Okay.
we have used, right? Okay, let's try. I did not mention single line, just sh comment dot sh.
Line level delimited by end of file wanted location.
What is this?
Yeah, because you have to end it, right? You didn't end it with the
Oh,
location.
okay.
And the
Open.
multi-line, you have to end it again.
Yes. It is showing red color. Now it's fine. Vi. I for insert. So I need to close like this. Okay.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
here, let me
The
open
whole
separate.
block will be in comment.
But you see here, I
Yeah,
think
he
we have
said
to
it, right?
use like
Comment,
this.
and in the end he put comment too, right?
Yeah. Only just Lokesh we need to mention.
Yeah, just location. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
So now let's
That
just
whole thing will
execute.
be in it. Yeah.
Let's execute this. Oh, sorry, I opened it. Quit, and this one
There
not
you go.
executed.
Okay. Yeah, because it's all comment, right? So it should
Not
execute.
executed. Simple. Okay.
Yeah.
Let us open it again. So shall we keep here one hash? I want to keep here one hash for 8. Let's see.
Great. Okay. Or
Insert.
maybe in between 6 cents also. 6
Yeah.
also.
So I'll keep automatically it is showing color. For 6
Yeah.
also I'll keep, and for this also alternately I'm keeping. That's
Okay.
it, and save.
1, 2, 3,
WK and
4,
save.
5. Only
Yeah.
5 lines should
Yeah.
show.
So 1 second. Cat
Not this.
hyphen and total 18 lines.
Yeah. With this.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Only these are all showing. Below
Yeah.
multi-line comment is there, but thing is it is not executing.
Yeah.
Only whatever comments we mentioned here it is there, right? This one hash single line 6, single line 8, these are all not executed, and the remaining all not executed, all this stuff. Okay, so what to do? I will try to copy this for example. Okay, duplicate. That's it. Okay, single line, multi-line at a time we have completed. That's good. Enough. I think this is enough for you today. So
Okay.
next we will talk about variables.
Okay.
User defined variables, system defined variables. If you want, we can continue today only. This also.
Okay.
For
I
me, I
think I
have
know
my
those
own.
variables. Yeah, I
Yeah,
have
yeah.
them. I
See,
know
variables as variable in the sense it's a key and value pair.
key and value. Yeah.
Yeah, variable stores like a mind memory. It's a kind of memory, 100%. So
Yeah.
example, name equal to location. Location is a value that is storing in a
That's
name.
a user defined variable basically.
Yes. What is system defined variable? In Linux, how to see system defined variables? Simple. Example shell. If I give what is that? Dollar,
Mm-hmm.
shift to dollar shell, shell, echo or cat. Sorry. Oh my god, it's system file. This is. It's not cat. It's.
Export.
No. Echo. This one echo.
Okay.
See this. This is. You can say this is actually system defined. One is variable. What is a variable here? This is a variable and this is a value.
Yeah.
We can also consider like that. This is a variable and this is a value, like that. Okay, we will see these examples next class.
Okay.
Okay, so you have to create 10 shell scripting examples in on each topic,
Okay.
whatever we have
Okay.
just discussed, and
Sure.
also make a notebook.
Okay.
Okay, please use Sunday time productively. Sultana, are you there?
Yeah.
So anything to discuss? I hope
No.
we discussed well today.
Yeah.
Almost we spent 2 hours.
Is it?
We connected around 4:40.
Hmm.
Yeah.
I think,
When did you message in the group?
who, me?
Yeah. 4:50 we have connected. It's
Yeah,
6:30.
stay. Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
I actually, you know,
1.5 hours.
almost okay. So then
Mm-hmm.
so yesterday's also time also utilized. So
Yes. Good. Mm-hmm.
so yesterday whatever I had taken your time, that I already used here.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Correct. Thank
Monday
you.
99% doubt for me, because actually on Saturday, on Saturday we used to go hospital, but that got
Mm-hmm.
postponed and unexpected schedule happened. Okay.
Okay.
If it not possible on Monday, definitely I'll take long class next time. Okay. Or else if you
No.
want, I can take on Sunday also.
Sunday.
For you it's
Sunday
not
means
possible,
tomorrow only.
maybe.
No, that's okay.
Anywhere,
I wanna
anytime.
take at least
If
one.
you are free, then we will make one day extra time.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So however, I don't eat your time. Okay.
Okay.
So we will spend more time on this and we can complete on the right track only. We can compensate it somewhere,
Okay.
right?
Okay. I mean, we've been doing that anyway, so
Yeah.
it's okay.
So if you
As
can
long as
spend
we are
1 hour
able to
extra, then it will be covered, right? Time will be
cover.
covered.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's fine. Yeah.
Don't
Right
worry.
now it's
Once
working out.
my tools comes up, I'll खींच के लेके जाता हूँ. देखो डेवॉप्स का डॉकर आएगा तो और क्यूबरनेटिस आएगा तो मैं बताता हूँ कैसा है.
Oh, wow.
but there will be a lot of troubleshooting again.
Again, yeah. We can see that, yeah.
So that will be very much interesting topic. Docker, I love it.
Dockers, okay.
Yeah, Docker, Git, GitHub,
It,
Jenkins,
GitHub,
Ansible.
yeah.
These are all very, very, interesting topics.
And AWS was very interesting too.
I don't like
Something
AWS
new.
actually.
Uh, you
AWS
like
is
more
UI, right? UI. I don't
UI,
like UI.
yeah, I like
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, but don't forget, Sultan. I requesting you since a long time. You are actually
Yeah.
forgetting all the commands, Linux commands. But these Linux
Commands, and
commands are
I
very
never
very.
been very.
No, you never been, but you have to do. Currently, you are in, right.
Yeah.
So once you are in,
But
once you are step in, definitely you have to be on it.
okay.
So then what happens is you're gonna use these many commands multiple times in Docker, multiple times in Kubernetes, multiple times in Maven. So next you're gonna work on DevOps. You'll have a DevOps 80%. You have 85% or 90%, 10% only AWS.
Mm-hmm.
DevOps is main.
Yeah.
So you're gonna deal with only Linux there. So you just
Nice.
imagine that how much fast you should be.
Ostashikri, yeah.
Okay, do more practice, do continuous practice. At least if you get enough time, at least to try to do some exercise on Linux, and so all this stuff, shell scripting and such kind of. So if you are really do more practice, then you'll feel that you'll never get doubt. Okay, I'm fresher like that. Okay, so you will feel that I have experience, because all the already comment you had a hands-on experience with all this stuff, right? So at least your mind will not support that. Okay, you are not fresher. Otherwise, if you don't practice, always it will pinch. You don't know anything like that. So
True.
once you do more hard work, once you do continuous consistent practice, then what happens is your mind will habituate with that. Then you will never feel that, okay, I don't know subject. Whatever the project it might be in the future, maybe you don't know the process, but you can catch it immediately if you are in a track, if you do hands on, right?
Okay.
That's it, Sultana. Thanks for your time.
No problem. Thank you.
Okay,
We'll
we'll see in
see you
next
on
class.
Monday,
Yeah.
Monday or Tuesday. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you, take care, bye bye.